Welcome to Aru, New York's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great hatchback in our collection. A used 2015 Ford Escape. This Ford is powered by front-wheel drive, Duratec i4 engine, automatic transmission, and has 14 miles. Unleash your freedom with this sleek 2015 Ford Escape. Reliable, feature-packed, and meticulously maintained, it delivers superb performance for an unbeatable price. A pre-loved gem, it's your passport to adventure. This used Escape comes with many comfort and luxury entertainment, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat, air suspension, alloy wheels, climate control, power tailgate. To keep you entertained, this Ford Escape is equipped with Bluetooth. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.